Hello?
What's up, Jim? Still trying to ride?
I'm almost there. Let's go.
I've got the E-Ride Pro SS loaded up in the bed of the truck. Feels like the perfect time to announce that this is my new giveaway. I'm giving away my own beloved truck with a brand new E-Ride Pro SS in the bed. This is my 2004 Ford Ranger. It's lifted on new wheels with a tint, subwoofer, power windows, power locks, and a badass exhaust. They just don't make trucks like this anymore. It's the perfect size. It fits 4 people with 2 fold-out seats in the back. But the bed is still 6 feet long, so you can fit your bikes lengthwise. The winner of my last giveaway actually ended up picking the cash over the cart, and he used some of his winnings to order an E-Ride Pro SS because it's the best bike out of the box right now. If you'd like to be the next owner of my truck with a brand new E-Ride Pro SS in the back, everything on my website gets you entries. I got t-shirts, detailing products, keychains. Those are new. There's something for everyone, so go check it out. I'll link it down below. Jim's on his way. Let's load up a second bike and hit the dirt. Yes, sir. Hey, in the shirt! Wait, turn around, let me see it. Hey, you look so good. You ready to rip? It's just the perfect bike life truck because most of the time it's just you or one other person. You fit your buddy in the passenger seat. You got 2 bikes. You can just go anywhere. Yeah. What else do you need? This is one of the new keychains. Ride, charge, repeat. This is the cheapest way to enter the giveaway. My buddy dumped this one the other day and I think I need to replace the rear brake. So if you see me full clutching the rear brake, that's why. So this is a new spot for us. We usually go left. Today we're going right. One of the most common comments I've been seeing lately is that I stick my foot out too much when I ride, and I didn't notice that. I didn't notice that until I saw the comments, so thank you for the constructive criticism. I'm going to try my very best to keep my feet tucked this video. Another common comment has been about the Honda Odyssey FL350 cross cart that I was going to build out. Yeah, let's go this way. And you know what? I don't think it's going to happen. I think I have to abandon that project and just sell it as a roller because it's a lot more work than I was expecting. The wheels need to be switched out. The entire rear axle drivetrain needs to be switched out. It's a huge mess, not even to mention how big the battery would have to be to power something like that. I was really excited about that build, but it's just not looking like it's gonna be worth it. I would have to spend like 10 grand probably to build that out. I want to start doing more budget builds. I recently did a video titled $1,000 Amazon sleeper build, and that was my first attempt at a real budget build, and I apologize. I realized the title was misleading. The upgrades were $1,000, but the total build at the end of the day was like $3,000. So I know you might be interested in seeing a bike that's fully built for $1,000 all said and done. And I'm going to try my very best to do that. The reason I haven't done anything like that recently or ever is because it's basically impossible. So I'm going to do it just to see what you can get, but it's going to be pretty underwhelming. Keeping my foot on the peg like I was instructed in the comments. Wow, this is beautiful. It's looking so clean, but the problem with only doing shampoo and water is there's always something left over. So here it looks like some bird poo. Pulling out my all-purpose cleaner for this one. Now I'm gonna clean the battery using my Charge PEV waterless wash. This is really good for batteries because it doesn't need any water. And it also leaves a nice finish at the end, a nice polish. So I usually clean the whole bike with it. And it also smells good. And it gets you entries into the giveaway. Stoked on this, it's my brand. I missed a spot, but it proves my point perfectly. Here, I was applying my Charge PV ceramic waterless wash, and here, I didn't. Look how much better the black looks where it's treated with the Charge PV waterless wash compared to where it's just soap and water. This is dry, by the way. It's been 10 minutes. You can see the ground's dry. This is not just because it's wet. It really, really brings the most out of your bike. Look how much, you can see the difference all the way over here. Look how bad it looks without the Charge PV. Look how dark and black and glossy and beautiful. I'm obsessed with my Charge PV waterless wash as well as the other lineup. Super proud because I designed this brand. This is my brand. And it gets you a bunch of entries into the giveaway. So if you want to win this bike, this is your move. And if you already have a bike, what are you doing if you're not cleaning with this? Before I go downtown, let's see if I can swap my surron wheels over to the Pro SS. If I can, that's a big deal. No way. This feels so disrespectful, but it's for science. It's official. Surron wheels fit the E-Ride Pro SS, and they look really good on it too. These are my 17-inch supermoto wheels from Warp 9, and they fit the front and rear, even though they were designed for the Surron. One of the few things the Surron had going for it, or has going for it, is the aftermarket. So the fact that aftermarket wheels fit the E-Ride Pro SS, that's a big deal. It's looking ready for downtown. Let's take it out. Dude, that's f***ing Brian 636. That's crazy. I've been watching him since high school. Let's see it. We got such a good pack with us today. I gotta get used to the throttle on this. Dude, that's awesome.
Huh?
Holy shit, that's an oncoming lane. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, I want to learn how to do that. That's so sick. Nah, don't wheel it right there. Sorry about that, bro. Whoa. No way. That's crazy. Wow. Look at this. was the sketchiest pop ever.
Imagine how much.
I can't even go there.
Really?
No way I can film that.
So take that shit down?
Hell yeah.
Hey, how often do you come visit girls down here?
No, I've never been down here.
Yeah,
It's my first time as well. We got a kid on the sidewalk. Hold up. I've been watching Brian 636 since high school. He makes these amazing moto vlogs where he'll go through like Chicago, Tijuana, and he'll go, it's a series called Hood Eats, and he'll get food somewhere, and he'll talk about the history while he's riding there, and he'll talk to the locals. It's really amazing content. I love watching his videos. Oh.
Small bags. Wow. No way, bro. That's what happens when you lose your plug.
Okay, Brian. Go, Brian. Go, Brian. Huh? It's got a great sound to it. Wow, that thing's loud. That dude has no idea he's flexing on Brian 636 right now. Oh, sorry about that.
You like throttle and then let it drink. Is that the belt? Yeah.
Damn.
Huh? Huh?
Oh, that's a comp. That's the comp right there. Go left, go left.
Oh, we're good.
Yeah, this is amazing. This is mind blowing.
You like it?
It's the best. This is crazy. This is. I have no words. I'm so speechless.
Dude, let's go. I'm so glad you like it. We're rescuing the bike with the broken belt. We got the Pro S, Pro SS loaded up in the truck. It's one of the most beautiful things in life is 3 bikes loaded up in the Ranger. This is the giveaway. My own Ford Ranger with the new eride Pro SS in the bed. I'll pin it in the comments down below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hasta luego.